Welcome to another 5-minute faster math class of Glad to Teach. My question to you this time is very simple. Can you mentally divide 221013 by 9 in 6 seconds? Well, I know that you can, so please give it a try. Your time starts now. Your time is up. The correct answer would be 2, 4, 5, 5 and 6 plus 1 is 7. 2, 4, 5, 5, 7. Let's check it out. Yes, 2, 4, 5, 5, 7. So could you get it? I'm sure you must have got the first 3 to 4 digits of this answer. Did you? Well, I'll tell you what, even if you could not get the first digit of this answer right, not to worry. For in next 3 minutes, you would have learned to divide even bigger numbers than what I had given you with 9 in 6 seconds. The faster way to divide any number by 9 is that you copy the first digit of the dividend as it is. And you have the first answer digit. The next one would be this answer digit plus the next digit of the dividend. So 2 plus 2 is 4. The next answer digit would be this 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now using the same logic, tell me the next answer digit. 5 plus 0, which is again 5. The next one would be 5 plus 1, that is 6. And then the last one would be 6 plus 3, that is 9. But you don't write 9 here. You write it here because this would be the remainder, if there is a remainder. In this case, there would be none. Why? Because 9 still goes 1 times in 9. So 9 1 times is 9. And you have the answer. The answer would be 24557. I'll write it here. 24557. So this way we have reduced this complex division to very simple addition. And I'm sure that you're really good at adding numbers, aren't you? Let's find out. So let's quickly take one more example. Take any number. Doesn't matter if the number is perfectly divisible by 9 or not. You give me some numbers. Let's take 3, anything, 2, 1, 4, 2. Okay. And you divide it by 9. Give it a try. So the answer would be 3. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 plus 4, that is 10. Now 10 is a 2-digit number, so carry forward 1, write 0 here. And 10 plus 2, the last digit would be 12. So you write 12 here. Now 9 goes how many times in 12? 9 1 times is 9. And 3 is the remainder, isn't it? So this number was not perfectly divisible by 9, so you get the remainder 3, and this is your answer. The answer would be 3571. That's it. And it's not like that this method is only restricted to division with 9. Not at all. You can divide with 8, you can divide with 7, you can divide with any 2-digit divisor. Doesn't make a difference. Like, let's say what is this number divided by 8. Since this 8 is 2 less than the base 10, isn't it? So what we